Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting gears to an exciting new entry in the middleweight adventure bike segment, the 2026 CF MOTO 450 metric tons. As a brand quickly making a name for itself with capable, value-packed machines, CF MOTO now steps into the spotlight with a motorcycle that blends adventure-ready performance and modern tech in a compact, approachable package. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 450 metric tons a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CF MOTO 450 metric tons brings rugged good looks with a sharp, adventure-inspired design. A tall windscreen, high front fender, and slim LED headlight setup give it a serious off-road presence, while the ergonomic seat and upright riding position ensure long-distance comfort. The bodywork is clean and purposeful, with crash bars and handguards included on higher trims. Available in bold color schemes like desert tan and glacier blue, the 450 metric tons makes a strong visual statement on any terrain, performance, and powertrain. At the heart of the 450 metric tons is a liquid-cooled 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin-engine tuned for usable torque and smooth delivery. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, it offers enough punch for both highway cruising and off-road climbs. The long travel suspension, spoked 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, and switchable ABS make it truly trail-capable. Whether you're tackling gravel roads or daily commutes, the 450 metric tons is built to handle the challenge with confidence. Safety and technology. The 450 metric tons packs a surprising amount of tech for its price point. It features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride stats. LED lighting all around ensures visibility, while the dual-channel ABS system enhances control in tricky situations. Riders will also appreciate the inclusion of USB ports, adjustable levers, and a ride-by-wire throttle system for smooth, responsive control across all conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 CF MOTO 450 metric tons delivers serious adventure capability in a lightweight, affordable package that punches well above its weight. With rugged design, solid power, and a smart tech suite, it's a compelling option for new adventurers and seasoned riders alike. Whether you're exploring backroads or making your way through city traffic, the 450 metric tons is ready for the ride. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more bike reviews, first rides, and news from the world of two wheels.